Weather report for the 24th, misty sunshine. Good morning lovely peeps, Merry Vlogmas Day 24 and happy Christmas Eve. I have got up, I've got ready, I have tidied up, I've put the laundry away, sort of, and I'm now going to head down to the main house and we're going to do calendars and see my cousin, and then I'm going to try and get my dress for tomorrow finished. Wish me luck. Okay, so Dad is taking Kerry and everyone out to pick up their hire car. So Mum is in the kitchen making chicken liver pate again, yummy. And I have come into the sewing room. I'm going to get to work on the Victory Patterns Jackie dress because I would like to wear that tomorrow. Like I say, it is going to look smart and also be secret pyjamas because comfy. So yeah, I'm going to get started on that and give that, fingers crossed I can get that made in a day. Should be able to. Merry Christmas Eve! Merry Christmas Eve!
Merry Christmas Eve!
Oh wow!
Ooh.
Ooh. We don't know what to do when you behave yourself.
No.
Everyone's very worried that there's an imposter.
Huh?
Everyone's very worried that there's an imposter.
Yes.
Right, okay, so...
We better take it in turns, don't you think?
Yeah, hang on. 20, we've done 20, haven't we?
21.
Yeah, so 21.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we've got loads.
Yes.
And you've got the, look at the size of the giant door for Mum's today.
Yeah.
21 for you is there. Let's hope it's not coffee or white. White.
White chocolate.
Oh dear. 20.
I'll have one of those instead.
One
Not
of
those,
what?
one of those over there.
Oh, I brought down the Lebkuchen hearts with the apricot jam in it that Laura sent me. I only opened them yesterday. They're very good. Oh, yeah, sorry, Mother.
Oh,
What's this one?
orange. Or red.
Nice.
I think it's orange.
22, right at the top.
22.
Still trying to get into this one.
And the pistachio.
22.
Oh, that's one of those blonde things.
The blonde things,
Yes.
yes. Mum is currently making chicken liver pate, like I said. Dad is going to be doing the boiled ham, which then gets roasted.
No.
Oh, does it not get boiled first?
No. No.
What happens to it first?
I'm going to dress it with all the necessary flavours I want to put in it. Then I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to slowly cook it in the oven.
Oh.
Don't forget this one has crackling.
This one has crackling.
You heard it here first.
Yeah.
Bought specially by me.
With crackling.
Yeah.
What have you got there?
Ham with
Another
crackling.
green one.
Another
It's
green one.
really a pork joint, isn't it?
Yeah.
23.
Mum's
And
also made...
I'm also going to... Oh, look. 2
More
in a row.
blondes.
Pair of blondes. I'm going to do a cassoulet.
Look at the size of this one.
Oh, I wonder how many are in there.
I don't
You
know.
wanted 5 a day.
5 a day.
5 a day. Different type of 5 a day.
Oh,
Scofflets. They're the originals. There's the packet. A little packet of the originals.
packet of scofflets. I've no idea what they're going to be like.
The original ones.
Original.
Yeah, pink.
Okay.
I think that was a fairly successful calendar.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Let's do that again.
How about you? Is yours?
Well,
24?
shall we discuss the success of mine before I even go any further?
Yeah. Okay. No. I
okay.
tried.
Just be
I know.
right. Be great.
24 is a double one. Starts there, but it's two things long.
So it'll be a jar of coffee. Oh, don't want to come out. Can't even fight my way into a box.
Oh, you got a dark one and an original one.
Right.
That's
Well, there's the best one, the dark one.
You wait when it has got something in it, not just
Yeah.
non-flavoured air.
Yeah, that's correct.
And Mum is also going to be making some hummus and some taramasalata from scratch. So yeah,
Yeah,
we're being spoiled. And she's made some mince pies. I'm going to steal one in a second.
which are gorgeous.
Oh, good.
And a Christmas cake with a sort of spider on it.
Oh yeah, I'll show you that in a minute. It's meant to be a sheep.
It's for
Supposed to be a lamb.
my nephew to be able to eat. That was all.
Right. Where's 21? Find 20. There it is, right at the top. Oh, I have an eclair,
Very nice.
which I like, and it's mine. I have a 12 for number 22, 23, 23. Where was 23? There it is. 23 is a caramel, which is also mine. I didn't get the last one. And then the big one is, oh, I got a Santa.
What?
I got a Santa. A little Father Christmas, which always look really funny when you take the wrapping off. They look like they shouldn't look like that, but they taste just as good. So yeah, I think, well, my calendar was successful. I was very pleased with mine. I was pleased with hers.
Thank you.
So yeah, have a look at that bad boy. Is that puff pastry? Puff pastry mince pie. That's the healthiest breakfast you ever did see.
Oh, I don't think so.
No, right, so I am. I started watching The Witcher last night. Mum and Dad, you need to watch that. You will love it.
Oh, good.
It's fantasy and magic and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Is it Amazon?
No, it's on Netflix. Netflix. And then also Lost in Space season 2 is out, which I am very excited about. And I started listening to the Final Empire, the Mistborn series, which I'm really enjoying. Nia recommended that to me. So yeah, I've got a whole bunch of stuff going on at the moment. But I've got Friends on in the background whilst I'm sewing, because I don't need to pay any attention to Friends because I've seen it all so many times. Oh, and the thing that I needed for my press to put these press studs on Wilson's cuffs has arrived as well, because it wasn't supposed to arrive till the 30th and I was panicking, but it's here. So that's great. So I'm going to get that done as well. Christmas Day dress is done. It's 3:30, so that wasn't too bad. I think I started around about 12:30. Okay, so we have bodice with sleeves on it. The sleeves look incredibly long. I did lengthen them because I remember the muslin fitting right to Ree's actual just wrist with no hem, so I've lengthened them by 1 inch and that's all hem. But yeah, they look really long. Might have to try this on. I tried that coat on. Oh, my battery's dying. 2 secs. That's better. Yeah, I tried the coat on and the sleeves are incredibly long. Now, Ree is taller than me, just. So I'm going to message her and get her to measure a coat that she likes the length of from the shoulder seam to where the cuff comes to, and see what the difference is. I don't think it's going to be too much of a big deal, because when I added the extra inch of length, I only added it to the bottom of the sleeve, so I could just trim that off. It will mean that I need to move the arm strap thingy up a little bit, but that's not difficult either. I've called it quits for tonight though, because I am hungry and I want to eat some food, so I'm going to cook some food. Okay, I've had dinner. Just made a very simple kind of tomatoey cheesy pasta sauce, and it was very nice. I've got lots left, so it's a good job it was nice, because it's going to go in the fridge for me to eat later on. Probably actually ought to put it in the freezer, thinking about the amount of food that we're going to be eating over the next couple of days. So I have some presents to wrap, so I'm going to get that done. I am up to episode 4 of The Witcher, so I'm going to watch that whilst I'm wrapping. So presents are wrapped, and what else have I got to do this evening? I've got to put some clean clothes away. I've got to edit this. I don't really have very much else to do, which is quite nice. It's quite nice to have a chilled evening. I'm really pleased with how the coat is coming along, although the sleeves, like I mentioned, are comically long. I'm just going to trim the inch off that I added and then hem it as usual with an inch hem, and it will just mean I need to move that little sleeve thingy up, which is easy enough to do. And the sleeves went into the bodice really easily. There was a tiny little bit of easing in that I needed to do around the sleeve cap, but that's pretty much standard. I've got sleeve heads and shoulder pads to install into that as well. I'm really liking how the epaulets are looking now that I've got the sleeves on with the sleeve tabby holder things on as well. I think that looks really cool. It's all coming out really nicely. I was hoping I was going to get the lining sewn today as well, but I got hungry, so I came up here instead. So I can do the lining on Boxing Day, and fingers crossed get the coat finished over Boxing Day and the next day. Although I do have my New Year's Eve dress to do as well. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I hope. Anyway, I hope you guys have had a lovely Christmas Eve. Obviously it's Christmas Day when you're watching this, so I hope you have had an amazing Christmas Day as well. I am going to be filming us opening our presents up, and then little bits and pieces throughout the day too. So as always, my Vlogmas continues through to January, because I am basically a daily vlogger as well. Obviously I'm spending New Year's Eve with Wilson, so I'm not sure how much I am going to be vlogging then, and then I'm also staying up in London for a couple of days afterwards. So he is going to back to work on the 2nd though, so I'm going to try and get some bits and pieces filmed during the days then too. So yeah, I've got lots of plans for the next couple of days, and fingers crossed there will be videos coming out on every day. That's the intention anyway. Let's see how that goes. Anyway, I am literally just waffling at you now. I'm actually quite sleepy. It's not very late, but I am just a bit tired, so I am going to say goodnight. I am going to get this edited and uploaded, and I am going to chill out for the rest of Christmas Eve. We will see you all tomorrow. Bye.